Hello guys, this is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. So now we are going to look out for selling, but we are going to look out for trading. Alright, so yes, welcome everyone to come into the channel here and to share your trading idea, and let's see if we can take some profit together today, right? Okay. Yes, thank you so much. Hi Bradley. Hi Hubert. Okay, nice everyone. Okay. So I guess something here, everyone. Okay. So just the market has just London market has just opened. So probably we just need to have a wait for the rest to actually wash up and get ready. All right. Okay. Okay. Yes, I think currently it's still quite early. All right. Okay. Okay, now let's have a sound test. Can everyone hear me clearly? All right. Okay, let's hope the sound is good so that everybody can hear me clearly. Right. Okay. Yep. Okay. Now, so it's that will be great. Okay. Okay, good. Thank you, Bradley. Hey, thank you, Aiden. Thank you. Right. So coming along, Roger. Hi, nice to see you here. Okay. Yes. Yes, we are going to start soon. All right. Okay. Now, let's take a look at what are we going to focus today. All right. We have quite a few to focus. Okay. Some are the first half and then some are second half that we can see. All right. So we are still looking for the opportunity to sell. Okay. EuroCAD. Well, EuroCAD tentatively, EuroCAD. I'm still waiting for it to test the resistance, and then probably we will have a chance to sell. Okay. Sawadee krab, Racha, correct? Right. So yes, this is the beginning of the London market now. Okay. So yes, Euro market has already started. Yes. Yep. Euro yen. Let's take a look at Euro yen now. Euro yen tentatively. Okay. Euro yen. Okay. Rat. Ah. Rat. I'm not sure if you remember me. I know a few of Rat. Racha. We met. Are you the one that we met in over coffee? then I'm if you are not the one that drink coffee with me, then you are the one in my seminar. Then then I know who you are now. Okay. Right. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Because two rats is in my class and one rat drink coffee with me. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. And see you next time in Bangkok. Yes, you will see me in Bangkok very soon. Okay, all right. Yeah, we are planning for the Bangkok trip. Yeah. Okay. All right. So over here, Euro yen tentatively still waiting for this resistance to meet here, up here, right here. Okay, so we still have a way to go. All right. So hang on first. Tentatively, I will be looking at this Euro yen after the Euro market has opened and things has changed. So yeah, so things has already changed. So Euro yen, I will definitely not go for a selling today. Okay, although there may be a slight down. Okay, on the second half. Okay, so probably there will be a good chance. But it depends on where is the resistance. Okay, I will go drink coffee with you next time. Okay. Oh, good. D-Mark. Won't drink coffee lah. Okay. Next time we can go drink some other thing in Thailand. Okay, very nice drink. Okay, like Singha, like Leo. Okay, so I think yeah, okay. Okay, so yeah, okay. So make sure next time I go Bangkok, you must come, nah. Okay, all right. Maybe I will go back to Cross 2, nah. Maybe I go back to X2. Those work for me too. Okay, that's cool. D-Mark. Okay. So you mokel. I need noi. Alright. It's not a coffee, man. Alright, now coming on the euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. Sawadee krab. 168 Sawadee Okay, euro dollar. Let's take a look at euro dollar. Euro dollar. We are having a retesting today for euro dollar. Okay, so let's see if this hour, okay, the rejections will come along with a new cycle to sell. Okay, so let's hang on. Okay, let's wait for H1. Okay, H1. Okay, chụp đen. Okay, chụp đen. Sai mai. My Thai still okay? Is my Thai still okay? Okay, so let's take a look at Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie. All right, Pound Aussie. Okay, Pound Aussie. We are now very near to the support. Okay, so let's take a look. Pound Aussie. Okay. Hi, Forex New Way. Shy. Your Thai still very good. Need noise. Still learning. All right. Pimon over here. Seldom teach me liao, so I must go live in Thailand so that the Thai can teach me, so that I can get back my Thai once again. All right. Okay, so all right. Okay, so over here, Pound Aussie. Okay, so tentatively, it is still not as over here. Okay, so still quite near to my support, right? Okay, so let's see. Okay, over here, right? So 23 pips, I think are still quite close. Okay, so but a scalp will be good. All right. Forex New Way, I need to give you some advice when you are posting your trades. Oh yes, okay, please. You posted about pound yen being sold. It was 35. Sorry. Oh, I see. Okay. Not to worry about that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. So over here, let's see how can. Okay, let me go through first. Let me go through because right now how London market is just open, so we need to just confirm once again. Okay, and over here pound cat. All right, pound cat is something that this is something good. All right, and this is something that I'll be watching it. But we are looking at this pocket more to a short term. Okay, more to a short term one. Okay, so tentatively, let's monitor this. Okay, because right now it's retesting. Okay, from the resistance that tentatively we still have a H4 to consider. All right. Okay. But if you look at the 1 hour chart, you can see that Monday was above the 200 moving average. That's one key buying point. You are talking about pound yen, am I right? Okay, pound yen. Okay. So today Wednesday, Tuesday. 100. Oh, yeah. Correct. Okay. Basically, that's more on the other biggest point is you buy on the RSI as the one and monitor level. Okay. RSI is a relative strength index over here. Okay. Yep. Okay. So over here we have suggestions that we can set the RSI to 21 and then monitor the 50% level. Okay, the 50% level. Okay. Yep. All right. Okay. Hi George. You see this on 1 hour time frame, this will keep you out of trading in the wrong direction. Yes. Great. Okay. All right. So tentatively, okay. So Power we're talking about Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday over here. Okay. Right. Okay. Over here. All right. So from do not use the RSI as an 80% sell, 20% buy indicator. Oh yeah. Correct. Yes. Uh, I do agree with this 80% sell, 20% buy indicator. Okay, I think this is personally I also felt that way. Okay, I also felt that way. Right. So basically that is one way. Okay, that no sorry that is something that I see a lot of uh kind of a lot of these people, okay, which I met before that they have been using this 80-20, which is not really that to my liking, okay, personal liking, okay, and because I see that it's it's not working in a very in a let's say consistent way, okay, so probably there's something to take note, okay, yep, okay, so over here. Right. So over here, as for like a power yen right now, okay. So power yen, tentatively, this is something over here that we are actually not looking for selling at this first session. Okay, we are looking at second half over here, guys. So this is something, but like Forex New Way was saying that it's also a very good one over here, which I'm still waiting for it to reach to a level, okay, where I will be getting ready to I'll be getting ready for a pullback, okay. So yep, okay. So yes, over here there's plenty to wait today because most of them is actually off. Okay, that's right. Okay, yep. Okay. Yes, I do agree. Okay, so over the other side, the Bitcoin. Okay, let's take a look first. Bitcoin over here. Huh. I have already collected, and now I am actually I still okay. Yes, I think tentatively it's a waiting time. Okay, so I guess it should be also the time that we should be sitting aside, okay, by the sideline to observe. Okay, so right now is not the right time yet. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Yep. Yes, that's right. Okay, so at the point, yep, at the point. Okay, so let's sorry. Come again, Riano. Okay, so no, I think it's fine because earlier on you have actually said that you were, was it is it you? I think collected about 2,000, right? Okay. So I guess it's okay to wait. Okay, it's fine. All right. Yeah. Okay. So to me, I think it's quite okay. Yeah, you can just hang on with it first. Okay, and you can just hang on and wait for the good opportunity before we take another strike. Okay. Right. Okay. Let's come back here. Okay. Come back here. Okay. According to today daily candle, I think you're still on power yen, right? Over here. Okay. Um, top could be at 163.25. 163.25 is the daily boss candle holds. Um, okay. So yep, I think this is something that we should be looking at as well. Yeah, this is where around here, this area. Okay, so I'll be looking at this area as well. I'm currently selling from 163.22 we'll have to see if the candle will hold the price. 163.22. Okay, all right. I see that what I see, okay, is I guess it should hold, right? Okay, for pound yen, okay, the what I see it should hold. Yep. Okay, so over here, let me. Okay. Are we still on the pound yen? Right now. Yes, right now. Are you? Sorry. Can I? Hang on. Cannot. I think there's a technical glitch here. Okay. Let me have a check. Yes. Okay. Yep. Uh-huh. Let me see. Hang on. Let me check. Okay. Can you see my chart now? How about this side? Yes, okay, good. Right. Then over here. That's good. Okay. Okay. You still cannot see. The rest of you, anyone can see? Okay, I think probably you want to reset and log out and log in again. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. All right, let's come back here. Okay. All right, so you need to be very careful today. Today is the start of the month, so a new monthly candle will begin. Exactly. Okay, so that's very good. Okay, so yes, it's a very it's a when H1 open, usually I take a look at H1. H4 open, usually I take a look at H4. Okay, so same thing. All right, so the moment the monthly open, okay, so we also have to pay attention to the monthly chart as well. Okay, so never give up. Hello, please help me to get 5 pips daily. Get a 5 pips daily. Oh, okay. Yeah. Welcome in. Never give up. All right, never give up. Okay, where are you from? I know where are you from. Okay, so thank you for joining in this community over here. And yeah, okay, so right now, okay, tentatively we have a sharing over here. Okay, that we are actually looking out for pound yen. Okay, we are actually looking at pound yen to have some discussion over here. All right, so people who wish to people who actually just came in. All right, so do remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right, and we have plenty of I guess experts here to share their point of views here. Right, to say so that we can always discuss around. Okay, right. So yep. Okay, so tentatively, okay. I am today I'm going to focus a bit more on the different platforms here. Okay, so yeah, pardon me if I missed your message. Okay, do ping me again. All right. Did anyone download better volume indicator? Okay. Anyone download any better indicator? Okay, so probably you can share around. All right. Okay, so over here. Okay, over here. Tentatively, we are actually looking at pound yen. Okay, so never give up. Let's say he was saying that help me to get a 5 pips daily, right? So I guess a 5 pips is not difficult, right? As long as you are able to identify, let's say I'm a seller. Okay, let's say I'm a seller, right? So I will always try to plot out where is my resistance. Okay, so looking at where is the resistance. Okay, so this is a very basic one. Just bring in the basic one. Okay, so I will always looking out to enter a trade near the resistance area. okay, near the resistance area. So for example, like now it's actually on the buying trend, correct? So of course, we don't pump in the trade right away. Okay, we don't pump in the trade right away to guess. Okay, for probably the next 5 minutes it will come down for 5 pips. Correct. So we don't do that. Okay. When we are actually getting a 5 pips. Okay. Although 5 pips to many are small pips, very small. Correct. It's very small and super scalping, I would say. Okay. So, but then again, there are still a lot of things to look out for to grab the 5 pips comfortably, right? So in certain ways, okay, we are also looking out things like example, resistance here. Okay, but before we start selling from the resistance, okay, like example like this, okay, it touches the resistance, I'm pumping a trade, or I actually set a sell limit. When it actually pump in and comes down, then I activate. Okay, and usually this is something that a five pips. We also have to take note about things like what is the available space for the profit to run, okay, to give you a very comfortable 5 pips. Okay, so it depends on the number of pips that you're collecting. Okay, so you make sure that you have enough space before you hit on the support. Okay, then you will start to actually start to pump the trade to grab that profit. Okay. Okay, so my usual daily pips gain is between 150 to 200. Okay, so 150 to 200. Okay, so wow, that's good. All right. So you see, I mean, there are many different traders expectation. Okay, so for Forex New Way, okay, definitely he has a way. Okay, and for people who are grabbing 5 pips, definitely you must also have a way. Okay, the point here, okay, I see whether you are like Forex New Way, okay, you are grabbing 150 to 200, okay, and a person who grab 5 to 10 or 10 to 20, whichever. But the important thing is that, okay, you must have a structure. The structure is very important. When I talk about structure, I mean, okay, trading structure. You must have a trading structure, and this trading structure must be able to give you the consistency. That is very important. Okay, so example, okay, for example, like now I'm looking for pound yen to go for a higher, to go for a higher resistance, all right, before I start selling. Okay, so for example, there's a pullback. If there's a pullback, okay, so there will be time we are trading on a pullback. There'll be time you're trading with the trend, okay, according to the directions, okay, which usually is the safest way to trade, correct? So on the other hand, right? So if some people may be asking me, so do I set a sell limit over at this level, around this level? No, you don't do that, because there are times that it will just break out and it will continue the buying and all the way to the next high, correct? So usually I don't encourage that. Okay, I don't encourage that, because we do not know when will it actually stop below the resistance and got resisted to continue the comeback for the selling. We do not know, right? Okay, and whether it's coming back as a reversal or it's coming back as a pullback. Okay, so there's something that we need to find out more during that point of time. So every minute when the market is running, every minute counts. So every minute counts. It also means that situation change, right? Situation change. I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm not sure if you agree with me. All right, so you can just voice out your view. All right. So we definitely, one thing for sure is that we must have a structure. Okay, we must have a structure to trade. That is very important. Okay, all right. Okay, so like example, tentatively like this pound yen over here right now. Okay, pound yen. So pound yen tentatively, you're asking me right now, I'll be looking out for a buy. Okay, so looking out for, for since the market has opened, all right, the buying is still there. Okay, the buying trend is still there. So definitely, okay, selling can come along on the second half that may have a pullback. That is also something, all right? Okay, so uh, so we just have to pay attention to the movement. Okay, how it reacts. Okay, so when is the time when the volume is high enough? Okay, to move. All right. So there are when, of course, in forex trading, the very fundamental, we need volume. Okay, so if we don't have the volume, like example, if you trade in like a Monday morning when the market opens, I think that's a killer. All right. Okay, so usually not many people will trade at the during that hour. That's why when every Monday when the market opens, okay, you will see a very big gap or some spread will be very huge. Okay, so usually, yeah. So that explains why the forex trader uh, we need to have volume in order to grab some profits from there. Okay, all right. This could be an rate. Okay, so in that case, it could run to 164, 164.13. Take a look. Okay, 164.13. Over here. Okay, so yep. Okay, so this 164.13. So this is the one whole wave, correct? This is one whole wave of the highs here of the resistance, as we can see. Okay, so this is something, yeah, this is something that actually we should be looking out for as well. So over here, okay, we still have about 83 pips to go, right? Will it run the 83 pips in this first half of the day? Okay, probably. Okay, probably. So it may. But that's the observe and see, okay, and we will see how it goes before actually you pump in the selling trade for 5 pips right now. I think probably is against the trend, which is not really that good. Okay, all right, okay. So over here, okay, if you run this interesting online graph daily, if you run the Fibonacci, okay, from the top to the bottom, we just hit the resistance. Yes, we got a resistance over here. All right. So just now, as I was talking about that, this one. All right. Right. So sorry. Let me remove this many lines here. I don't want to confuse you. Okay. So right. So it's somewhere here. Okay. Around here. All right. So this is one, another one here. Okay. So this is that's why. Okay. That's what we are talking about. If we are going to sell, all right. So the selling signal is coming here. Okay. All right. Open the line chart and take a look over here. All right. Let's take a look. Yep. Okay. So I think if you want a clearer view over here, something that we can see. Okay. Okay. So can you see here? Okay. This is one, and this is one. So this will be very clear. Okay. So you can see from here, right? Then after that, we move along. Okay. Like here, move along. All right. So let's see. Again, you can see it's quite clear. Okay. So let's see over here. Okay. This is the point. Right. Okay. So drag deep from how is how cat hang on. Okay, so hang on how cat. Okay, sorry, come back here. Drag what sorry, drag this okay. It go from 167.45. Okay. I 156 156 here. A56 156, right? I'm not wrong. Okay. Hang on. This way. Okay. Excuse me. Do I need more water? All right. Okay. So as you can see, if you're plotting out this fibro over here, okay. So this is the point. Okay. The pound just dropped. The pound just dropped off to 61.8. Okay, can you see? All right, so he meant over here. Okay, Forex New Way meant over here. But aha, okay. All right, okay, so yes, can see. All right, so it's very clear, right? Okay, so this over here, okay, it's also as we can see. All right, as candle. So if in candle, actually you can see, all right, there are levels of resistance over here. Okay, so it's also a pullback, a retracement there. So can go we can gauge it this way. Also it's also another way that you can gauge it. Okay, yeah. So come back here like this. Okay. Okay, let me do this for you. Okay. Okay, can you see? All right. Okay. Yep. All right. Okay, so sorry, can so far about 30 pips. Okay, so it means we are ready to collect about 30 pips. Okay, so from here, okay, let's see. Right. Okay. And over here about 30. Okay. Pips, right? Okay, let me see. Okay, 30. Let's see. Okay, so what about 30? Okay. Right. So important way to use the Fibo is with the line chart, not the candlestick chart. Yes, correct. Okay, so because when you are on the line, okay, on the line chart here, okay, usually, okay, I will use this. Usually for me, okay, I'm not sure for the rest, okay, that I will always like Forex New Way was saying, okay, you can actually use a line chart. It will be much clearer in a way. Okay, this way. Okay, so that when you pull, okay, it will the I would say the accuracy is much higher. Okay, as for candle, at times it can be misleading. Okay. Okay, so okay, so right now, so sorry, what is that? That is. Sorry, that is on the 100 lot sell. Alright, don't get you. That's on the 100 lot sell. I'm sorry, Forex New Week. Do you mind to elaborate? Okay, so okay, hang on. Okay, so let me. Okay, let's come back to Poundcat. Okay. Let me come back here. Okay. Poundcat. Okay. Oh, that is my usual lot size. Oh, 100 lot sell. I see. Oh, okay. I got you. Okay. Right. Over here. Okay. Poundcat Powcat over here. All right. So right now, okay, Powcat over here. Where? Okay, Powcat. Okay, 159. 195 956 56. Okay, so currently tentatively I will still say that now it's testing on the resistance. Okay, right, so for this Powcat is now testing on the resistance, which now actually still going good. Okay, it's still going good. Testing on the resistance over here for Powcat. Okay. I see. I'm so sorry. Okay. All right. Okay. Since okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. If you have collected this TP, okay, that's good. All right. Okay. So that's my usual lot size. Okay. Come back here. All right. So let's see. Okay. Like pound yen over here. Okay. Let's look at pound yen over here. So pound yen. Is it too big? Okay. I hope it's not too big. Okay, so over here, right, so we are looking at things like we have a range here, right? We have a range here. So if I go lower down to the time frame, okay, if I go lower down, all right, lower down the time frame here, slowly, okay, slowly, take it easy. Over one over here. Okay, so for people who are working on these candle price actions over here, all right, so I guess tentatively pound yen, yeah, okay, taken the profits what? Oh, Powcat. I'm sorry. Okay, Powcat. 50%, another go with another plus 25%. Okay, so yeah, I think okay. Okay, so okay, that's good. Yep, that's good. Okay. Okay, understood. All right, so let's come back here. Okay, so let's come back here. Okay, if we are going to your GJTP Bradley, okay, congratulations. Okay, so good. Okay, now let's take a look over here. In this, we still have another 9 minutes to go. Wow, that's pretty fast today. The time flies. Okay, 1 hour to go. Is that considered one action candle? Yes. Okay, we can say that right now it got rejected. And also, if you actually like Forex New Way plotted this Fibo, okay, then this is actually rejected from the 61.8 level. Okay. Still working on the 4 hours candle. Honestly, better to let this candle close and then look for the 61.8 on the week for an entry signal. Sorry, Forex New, are you? We are still on the pound yen. Am I right? It's still working on the 4 hours candle. Yes. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, we are still working on the 4 hours candle. And honestly, better to let this candle close and then look for 61.8 on the week for an entry signal. Okay, so this 41 this Forex New Way was talking about this when we are talking about like this. Okay, over here. Okay, on the 61.8 over here. Okay, so we are looking for an entry signal over here for are we look we are looking for selling. No, when we are talking about this, okay, earlier on we are talking about look out for the 61.8 on the week for an early entry signal. Okay, over here, right, we are talking about selling signal. Okay, let's come back here. There will be a retest on the 61.8 again to clear out the early sell entry. Okay, yes, that's right. Okay, Dodge winning signal, teacher. Okay. All right. Nice. Nice. Okay. Yes. This is something that I'm actually also waiting for. Okay. Of course. When things are like now, okay, it actually has a rejections over here. All right. There definitely there will be entries. Okay. Like Forex New Year was talking about the early entries. Okay. So usually. Okay, usually as we always see, as I you always heard I say retest, retest, retest. Am I right? Okay, so uh, when coming along with H4, okay, this H4, okay, I'm waiting for a so-called candle, okay, to retest this level, okay, to retest this level, right? To retest this level, like maybe another H1 probably going up again, okay, to retest again, then probably the H4 opening together with the H1 combination with H1 and rest of time frame, then will shows the retesting, okay, then from there, okay, then we are start to look out for entry, right? Okay, yep. Okay, so okay, so okay, how can how can okay, how can I still have about 14 14 pips. Uh okay, 14 pips, okay. Right, 14 pips, okay. 1 4 from current about here to here. Uh let me see. 1 4, huh? Okay, I guess still good. Okay. 1 4 to enter into the profitable zone. I think well, okay, that is still okay, right? Okay, so now let's come back here. I'm still holding GJ Aiden. Okay, all right. You're still holding GJ, huh? Okay, but if you look out at the sorry, I'm the wrong chart. Okay. Pound yen, okay. Pound yen, just a bit. I think a little bit more. Okay, we have a little bit more. So this level, okay. So we just need to be. Let me see. Okay, just a bit more only. Okay, let me see. Okay, so pound yen, I guess it should be about time, all right? It should be about time. Just to see that this level, okay, this level, okay, to cross this level first, okay. So sorry, what again? Okay, when the 4-hour candle closes, mark a wick on the 4 hours candle 61.8. That's a very powerful trigger for the price to drop. And the 4-hour candle. The 4-hour candle closes, mark the. Okay, it says here when the 4-hour candle closed, mark the wick. Mark the wick. Okay, over here. This one. Okay, mark the wick. Okay, on the 4 hours candle at 61.8. Okay, there's a powerful trigger for the price to drop. Okay. So it also means the rejection from that. Okay. Yes. Yes. Correct. You are correct. Okay, Roger. Yes, that's right. Riano. Yeah. Okay, got it. Okay. Take the Fibo from the top of the wick to the top of the body. Okay, so you're talking about here, here. Am I right? Here to here, right? Am I right to say that? Okay, guys. Okay, so you can do this. Okay, yeah. From here to here. Okay, when it close. Okay. Yep. If that 61.8 is hit, then the imbalance will be filled. Okay. But this part. This part. Okay, let me. Am I right? Forex New Way. Our understanding should be okay, over here. Let's say now it's this way. Okay. Yes. Then yes. Yeah. Let's say now this is the blue box. Forex New Way, is my understanding correct from your statement? Correct? Yes. Okay, so Susanna, understand? Yes, good. Okay, that's great. Okay. It's also very similar to what you have shared earlier. Okay, yeah, yes. Okay. Right. And not exactly. Yes, not exactly. Which part? Okay. What about Powcat over here? Powcat going which way? Going which way? Oh, okay. Close and go. Okay. Well, okay, come back here. Pow yen. Okay, close and go. Alright. Okay, when you make a box, first mark top of the wick to the body, then mark from the top of the wick to the bottom of the body to complete your sell box. Alright, let me answer one question first. Okay, yes, what's that? Well, okay. Usually, the question over here is the FOMC. Yes. FOMC. Yes. Okay. Well, I think probably I will advise. Okay, it's good that you actually avoid trading during that particular hour. Okay, right? Yeah. Okay, so now come back here with when you make a box first. When you make a box first, mark the top. Mark the top. Okay, mark the top. Okay, so mark the top here. Okay, of the wick to the body. Then then to the body, and mark from the top of the wick to the bottom of the body to complete your sell box. Sorry, because the message got pushed up. Okay, let me hang on, guys. Wait. I'm reading this message. Okay, hang on. Okay, when you make a box, first mark from the top. Okay, from of the wick. Correct? Am I right? So then from the top of the wick to the body, then mark from the top of the wick to the bottom. Okay, so you mean from the wick here, correct? Here and then here. Okay. Need to use the Fibo tool to mark the wick. Yeah. Okay, so okay, no. Okay. Hang on. Okay, so just now, okay, earlier on, okay, this box here, okay, we were talking about this box, okay, to explain to the other side here, okay. So this is where, okay, this is okay, we are talking about. All right, so once this area, okay, this area, when let's say this is a closed candle, okay, so there will be a wick. So this is the top of the wick, okay. this is the top of the wick, okay, to the body, okay, right here, okay. So yeah, this is what we call the upper wick, okay, the upper shadow. All right, okay, this area will be the upper shadow area. Okay, got it, guys? Ah, okay, okay. I'm so sorry for the confusion. Okay, all right. Okay, so understood, huh? Okay, good. Okay, let's move again. Okay, let me put this down. Okay, let me put this down. All right. So, okay, continue back here. Okay, so we are right now, okay, talking about this. Okay, right. So here, which one? Okay. Okay, so from when you make a box first mark. Okay, so over here we are talking about, okay, from here. Okay, what is the no, sorry, when you make a box first mark the top of the wick to the body. Okay, then mark from the top, then mark from the top of the wick to the body to itself. So let's put this. Okay, let me put this first. Okay, so you should notice if price turns down at the bottom of the box you have, then sell at the bottom of the box you have marked, then the sell will be weak. So earlier on, okay, so we are talking about this, right? Okay, are we talking about this? Okay, let's say this, let's say, okay, right. So drag the two from the top of the wick, the top of the body. Just now, earlier on was, okay, let me do it again. It's okay, somewhere here. Okay, right. The top of the body, then mark 1/8. Then drag the feeble tool from the top of the wick to the bottom of the body to get the lower of the 1/8. Okay, right. So over here, this one, okay, okay, step. Okay, wait. It's one step by one step. Okay, let's see. Okay, drag the feeble tool. Okay, first no. Okay, he meant this way. Okay, let's see. Okay, this way. Right, the wick to the top of the body first. Okay, right. Okay. Got it. Yes. You hang on. Let me approve the sharing screen. Okay. Okay. Now then, next. Okay, next to go. All right. Next to go over here. Then drag the feeble tool from the top of the wick to the bottom of the body to get the lower of 61.8. Okay. Okay, 61.8. Okay, sorry, 61.8 here, like that. This way. Am I correct? Forex new way? Am I pulling like on your fever the only level you need? Sorry. No. Let me. I'm still on the previous message. Okay, your previous dialogue there. Okay. So the Forex new way was talking about that you pull this. Okay, this one 61.8. Okay, so you can adjust you can adjust the 61.8, right? Okay, so you adjust the 61.8 to the bottom. Okay, the bottom. I have two levels. Wait, sorry, did I? Okay, sorry, hang on. Okay, hang on. Okay, I overlap a screen. Okay, let me I overlap this screen, huh? Okay, so sorry, so sorry. Okay. Okay, hang on. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I can have the screen back. Okay, now. Okay, now. Okay, over here. Alright, so this way. Okay, so from here. Okay. Ah, now. Okay, so guys, okay, now take a look here. Okay, take a look here. All right. Okay. Okay, so now we will start off from the week. Okay. Example here. All right. Okay, so just okay, just briefly over here. Okay. Then we are going to drag this. Okay, to the top first. Okay. Okay, to the top. To the top of the body. Let's say over here. All right. So okay, put this 61.8. Okay. Now. Okay. Right. So here, example like this. Can I just drag down a little bit? Just assume that. Can you see clearly? Clearer now? Okay, huh? Okay, good. Okay. Forex new way. Let's come back here. Take the Fibo tools from the top of the wick and drag it to the top of the body. So you are talking about your. What you mean is that the 61.8 at the top of the body. Am I right? Okay, this way at the top of the body. Placing this 61.8 at the top of the body. Is that what you mean? Okay. That is the 61.8 for the top of the wick. Yes. Okay, that is the 61.8. The top, this is the top of the wick. Okay. Okay, this way, like this. Okay, this way, okay, over here. Can you see? Okay. All right, guys. Good. Thumbs up. Okay, good. Okay, nice. Okay, good. Okay, so Forex new way. The next one you're talking about is from now, the 61.8 to the bottom of the body. Am I right? Okay. If I didn't remember wrongly, just now you're saying that this one, drag the Fibo tool from the top of the wick to the bottom of the body to get the lower 61.8. Understood, guys? Okay. Now, okay, so this area, okay, that will give you your selling box. So this area is the selling area, correct? Okay. So, okay, basing on 61.8, okay, assuming there is just this candle, okay, then the 61.8 of the top, this is the selling. Am I right? Sorry, am I right? Forex new way. Okay, guys, do you get it? Okay. Okay, after the candle has closed, of course the candle must close. The candle must close. Okay, not now. We are discussing about the H4. Okay, currently we are actually discussing about the plotting of the Fibonacci. Okay, when the H4 candle closed. Okay, closed. So when we close, okay, we look out for the 61.8. Okay, from the wick, the top, all the way to the top body, they will give you the selling signal there. Okay, so this area, we are now plotting the area. Can I say that Forex New Way? Did I understand it correctly from what you had quoted here? Okay. Okay, so let's assume, guys. Let's assume, okay, that let's assume that the candle has closed at this level. Okay, the blue box here. Okay, just now, so you plot this 61. You plot from the highest all the way, and you pull the 61 to stop at the top of the candle. Okay, and this will form as a selling entry here. Okay. All right. Okay. So okay, so Forex New Way. Okay, so this area, okay, assuming okay the 61, the candle close here from the wick to the 61 here, okay, okay, and this part here, this area will be the area that we are going to sell. Can I? Okay, let me rephrase it. This area is our selling area. OK， เข้าใจไหมเข้าใจไหม OK， 听得懂吗？大家听得懂的话，打上一个1号给我。OK，if you can understand, OK, give me one, a number one, alright? OK， เข้าใจนะ give me 1 OK, give me a 1 OK. Okay, so Forex New Way, are you still there? Okay. Yes, but focus on the top of the box. Do not enter as soon as the price enter the bottom of the box. Exactly. Perfect. Good, George. Very good. All right. So what we are discussing now, okay, we are actually talking about the next H4 candle when the candle closed and the next candle open. All right, so now we are talking about when the candle closed. Okay, so over here this will be the area, right? This will be the area, but this area is very big. Am I right? It's about 28 pips. So a good way to enter, okay, is always the top, at the top here, this area. Okay, as I would say as near as possible. Okay, but you don't just enter when it comes in, just comes in. Of course, this is not a very good one. Okay, it's also like a resistance support. Okay, but you don't comes in here. Okay, you comes in this way. Okay, as near as possible. Okay, right? Yeah. Okay, so now let's move. Okay, guys. Okay, I see many ones here. All right, so Forex New Way will move down. Okay, when the H4 candle closed. Okay, when the H4 candle closed, right? So we are going to move this Fibo, okay, 61.8. Can you see the 61 is moving down? Can you see this 61 is moving down? All right. Okay, so I'm going to move down. So let's move this level down. Let's say it close here, over here, 61.8 here. Okay, Forex New Way, did I plot it correctly according to what you quoted? Okay, guys. Have been ages that you did not put your Fibo in public. Okay. Yeah. Forex New Way, did I plot it correctly over here? This way. This is the second part. Okay, this is the second part. Forex New Way was quoted just now. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's wait for Forex New Way to apply. While waiting, let me have a sip. Okay, guys. For those who can understand this, okay. Then after that, we will. The 61 should not be at the bottom of the candle. No, I mean just now earlier on, there's one. There's one. Okay, let me see. You are saying that there's one. There's one that you are talking about that is lower. Get drag the feeble from the top wick to the bottom of the body. Get the lower 61.8. Yeah, we are referring to this. We are referring to this. Okay. The lower 61. The lower 61. We are referring to the message, the earlier on message that you are saying that to get the lower 61. Okay, so drag it to the bottom of the body. All right. There are two 61 level, one from the top wick exactly, which I just plotted out the blue box. Okay, from the top wick to the top of the body, and one from the top of the wick to the bottom of the body. Okay, so you're referring to another feeble. So I'm going to put this back here. We really appreciate. Okay, we have a message here from Scott from Scotland. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. We really appreciate that the sharing from Forex New Way, new NEW new. Okay, New Way. Okay, and effort from Eric. Thank you so much. And I would like to thank on behalf of Forex New Way for your kindness. Okay, for your kind words as well. Okay, so what? Come back here. There are two 61 level, one from the top, okay, and one from the top of the wick to the bottom of the body. Okay, so that means one is from here to here. Okay, one is from here to here. Correct? Okay, so sometimes the algorithm will move after it hits the lower. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so sometimes the algorithm will move after it hits the lower 61.8 level. Okay, yeah, that's right. Okay, but it's usually a fake move. Okay, so that's why you need a top 61 level. Okay, wow, George, give a like. Thank you so much, George. Okay. Oh, great. Okay, we have great people here. So nice. Okay, that's really great. That's really nice. Okay. Right. So, okay. So, come back here. We have this. Okay, over here. That George was saying that. Not George. Sorry. Forex New Way was saying that. Okay. We have 168 level here. Correct. Okay, we have 168 level here. So we have another 61.8 level here. From here to here. Okay. Okay. The reason the algorithm will move when it hits the lower level is to flush out the early sellers. Oh my god. Forex New Way. That is okay, Forex New Way will say the reason the algorithm will move when it hits the lower level is to flush out the early sellers. Okay? Okay, flush out. F-U-L-S-H. Okay. Okay, so Forex New Way. So we would like to understand one way. Okay, over here when you are saying the lower 61.8. So do I still use the same Fibo to find out the lower 61? The lower 61.8. You are talking about the lower 61.8, the lower bottom of the body. The 61.8 remains here, correct? Okay, we have a 61.8 remains here. Okay, we have a 61.8 remains here. Okay, so next we are talking about we are trying to understand. Okay, yes, that is the lower 61.8. Oh, this is the top of the 61.8. Okay, we understand slowly, huh? Okay, step by step. Okay, guys out there, okay, be patient here. The top one should be from the top of the wick to the top of the body. This one. Am I right? Correct? If my understanding here is the blue box is correct, can you pump in a yes? Assuming guys, assuming the candle close okay, over here, assuming here. Now it's still moving okay. Alright, okay, so yes, okay, so right now the top one should be from the wick to the top of the body. Okay, if the candle close here, alright, so this will be our selling signal. Okay, this area. Okay, not here. No. No, no. The moment it enter, if the candle opens, okay, be patient. You don't sell immediately right here. Okay, so we will take this. Okay, we'll take this. Okay, we'll take this. Okay. Okay. If the candle close now, okay, Forex New Way was saying that if the candle close now, 163.21, okay, so around here, okay, this area, top wick, okay. So this should be the one. Okay, not here, but here. Okay. Okay, right, good. So next to go, okay, so we will be focusing on the next message. Okay. Okay, we'll be focusing on the next message that the lower 61.8, the lower 61.8. Okay, Forex New Way. Okay, so the lower 61.8, the lower 61.8. So now we are trying to understand the lower 61.8. So we are going to take this from the wick, okay, now to the body, to the bottom of the body. This message, okay. We are trying to understand this message. Okay, let me let me show this out. Okay, okay, you can see right? Okay, there are two 61.8 level, one from the top of the wick to the top of the body, which is this part, the blue box. Okay, this will actually give us, okay, this area of selling signal. Okay, right, and one from the top to the bottom of the body. Okay, another one. Okay, another one from the top of the wick, one from the top of the wick. Okay, to the bottom of the body. Yeah, we are trying to understand this. So from the top, of the wick. Okay, so what should I do? There are some understanding is that I'll shift the 61 level to the bottom of the body. The 61.8 level. Ready, guys? No. Okay, no. So from this sentence, there are two 61.8 level, one from top. Or we are just talking about just this. And the close ugly. Okay, so let's wait for Forex New Way to probably explain it to us. Okay, so that we can have a better understanding of there are two 61.8 levels. Okay, so we got one level. There are two, so we got one, which is this one. Okay, which is this one. Okay. Alright, guys. Probably we give some time, okay, for Forex New Way to reply me while waiting. Okay, do you mind if you can give me some time, okay, while I excuse myself for another cup of drinks, right? So yeah, just give me a while. Alright, I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back here. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Sorry, back. Okay. Girlfriend just arrived, so I'm done trade for the okay. Alright, okay. I see. Okay, so okay, girlfriend not better give your profits. Okay, well, okay, so okay, so over here, okay, I guess. All right, so that's some of a little while, okay, a little bit here, okay, as we can understand here, okay, thank you very much for Forex New Way, okay. First of all, okay, in Fibo, okay, in Fibo over here, Fibo is a tool, okay, which actually help a lot of traders to actually plot out entry, okay, and some retracement, okay, as well as also it gives you an idea, okay, um, where exactly, all right, to plot, okay, and over here, okay, I advise all of you to focus on the key candle for any time frame you are trading and learn to use Fibonacci on that candle. Yes, correct. That's that's really the key. Okay. Thank you, Forex New Way. All right, I will see you. Okay, I'll see you when your girlfriend's away. Am I right? Okay. Okay. Men's out there, I think men's out there, we understand that. Okay. So enjoy your good time. Okay. All right. Enjoy your good time. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We can understand that. All right. So have a great time with your girlfriend. Okay. Thank you so much and really appreciate back on Friday. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Enjoy these 2 days. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. So and okay. So over here. Okay. Um. This is what he meant. Okay. If this is the what we see here, right? Let's say H4. Okay. H4 candle. Okay. When it closed over here, right? We can use Fibo, okay, to plot this 61.8 here, okay, to find out where is the exact selling, okay, where is the exact selling area signal where we can see over here. Okay, so let me go in a little bit. Okay, so this is the whole area, correct? So when we are selling, the whole idea here is that when we are selling, okay, we sell from the top, right? So when this area is plotted out, so we sell from the top here. Okay, so we have to keep ourselves pretty calm. Okay, when the next candle if started to escalate, okay, so before it actually break out of this, when it started to sell down here in this area, okay, from the top here, okay, so that is the price. Okay, that is the price that we are going to sell. Okay, so currently, okay, let's put it this way: if the candle has closed, okay, over at this price here, okay, we should be looking out for about 163 about 163.2. Okay, 163.2. Okay, 163.2, 125.27, somewhere there. Okay, all right. Okay, so that when it's actually pulling back, when it started to pull back, okay, when it started to pull back over here, right? When it started to pull back, then okay, it will more or less, okay, it will more or less, okay, will cover, okay, about a 30 pips of profit from here, okay, that you will be able to see, okay, you will be able to see that from the top, okay, that the selling signal is there to give us this area of profits, okay, then we'll see from there to break the rest of the index, the rest of the Fibo, okay. So, but nevertheless, okay, we just need right now, okay, as you can see for the past few days, Forex New Way and me, when we come to this hour, okay, we always wait. Okay, we always wait for the H4 candle to open. And we always wait for the H4 candle to open. So the whole idea over here, right? To see that the H4 candle to open, reason is to make sure, okay, we have a selling signal. We have a selling signal from the H4, which because it belongs to another session. Okay, so it belongs to another session. So it started to belong to another session. So that is where we also wanted to, okay, plot out where is the selling area for us, so that we can actually capture the profits in a very safe way. And what if it actually break both? That's it. Okay, then you will be able to see that once it breaks above, okay, it's also a time that we can have a minimum losses. Okay, we'll be able to create a minimum losses, okay, as compared to the amount of profits that we may be able to get, right? Okay, so this is why we actually every H4 we actually wait for the new candle to open. Okay, yes, a Fibo strategy. Yeah, Fibo has been widely used. Okay, but the point here is that, okay, there are many people who actually use this Fibo, okay, but may not in the correct manner. But of course, there are many different types of usage. Okay, so it depends. Okay, but you have to understand some consistency in using this Fibo. Actually, they can use it very well. Okay, yeah, that's right. Okay, correct. Okay, right. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, over here. So over this side here, as we can see, okay, basing on what we have seen from the Fibo, okay, and now a combination here over back here with the resistance level. Now we see a resistance level here. It actually tested on the resistance level. Okay, this is one level. Okay, where you can see it. You have to know how to plot out the resistance level as well, so that it can also help you to actually have a much clearer picture that how do we can actually plot out, and we can actually start selling from top. Okay, from the top. That's like example today. We have one friend here. Okay, who actually asked me, do I enter for a 5 pips TP at the same time for a 5 pips stop loss? What do you think? Okay, a 5 pips TP with a 5 pips stop loss. So that means people are working on the risk management 1-to-1, right? Okay. So many of the time, okay, it depends. I would say it depends on where did you enter for a trade. That is the crucial point. Okay, it depends on where did you enter for a trade. All right. So this is important. Okay. The important part here, if you're entering, let's say, okay, this is a support example. Okay, for example, all right. If it's swing down, well, you say, oh, it's today it's really swinging down. Oh, it's going to test the support. It's going to break the support. It's all about our thoughts. Will the market behave according to our thoughts? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. The answer is no. All right. Okay. So if we are entering a trade, a selling trade to grab a 5 pips near to a support level, it's high risk. Why? It's because by looking at this, for example, if I'm going to have a stop, okay, according to the theory, that is going to break the resistance, okay, that is going to be 100 over pips just for that 5 pips, and that is illogical. Am I right? That's illogical. So if you are entering if you have entry at the resistance, okay, you are grabbing a 5, and what if it breaks the resistance? Okay, so probably you'll be losing about 10 to 15 or 20. Okay, I think that is pretty fine. No, okay. So it depends on where did you enter, and that's the rationale. Okay, that's the rationale. That's very important, huh? Okay, so that's one thing. So if we are going to enter, okay, if we are going to enter, okay, let's say let me remove this. Okay, a bit complicated here. Okay, so now let's say we actually tested. Let's see. Okay, we have tested the resistance. Am I right? We have tested the resistance here. Okay, so selling is possible. Okay, selling is possible now. So let's see if there's a selling signal. Okay, like an engulfing candle here, right? Engulfing candle here. Okay, so this candle engulfing. So this is a good entry. Okay, you can grab a 5. This one you can grab a 5. Okay, so you get what I mean now, guys? Are you still there with me? Right? So you see, when there's a pullback, okay, now this is a pullback. So when there's a pullback, right? So when there's a pullback, you also have to identify certain things like, you know, a resistance. Okay, as you can see, this is where we actually plotted out the Fibo. Okay, so the pullback is still within the 61.8, right? It's still within the 61. So it also shows that there's a lower resistance compared to the resistance up there. Then will that be a good chance for us to enter for a trade? Okay, and the lower resistance, will that be a good time for us to enter for a trade? Okay, pretty good, right? So we know where's the, now we know from here we can continue to hold a trade, because the lower resistance is occurring. So where is the next one to go for the support level, right? The next support level. So if we are talking about example like this is a support level, all right, so we still have our 16 pips to go. So probably yes, we can still continue to hold at 16 pips. Okay, right? So that's one example that we can see. Right? It's very obvious that we can actually know where to take profits, so that we know. Okay, from there, after that, when it's going to hit the profit, okay, will it be good for us to exit a trade? Will it be a good time for to exit a trade? It depends on the individual once again. Okay, if you find that okay, I'm having a 5 or 10 or 20 pips or 30 pips, okay, I think it's good for me because I do not want to have any unforeseen circumstances that it will suddenly shoot up. Okay, and we will have a strike candle. Then in the end, all my profits, my paper profits all gone. Correct? Right? So yeah, it depends on individual. But again, okay, we have to take a look. If there is a change of trend, if there's a change of trend over the second half of the market, okay, where we will be able to see that it's actually coming back as in a cycle, okay, as a day trading cycle, that it may hit even lower. Okay, then we will continue to hold the trade, right? Okay, so I guess there are a few ways. Okay, there are a few ways that we can look out for, and which is actually quite a good way for us to find out the or maybe should I rephrase it in another way, is that when we are trading, okay, we always love to find the precision, the precise point to enter for a trade, and understand along the way. That means, let's say this is a precise point, okay, so we enter a trade and we understand how the chart is moving, like a lower resistance is a sign of selling. Correct? It's a sign of selling. Sellers are still willing to sell at a lower price. Okay, so we can continue to hold the trade. We can continue to hold the trade, right? So when we can continue to hold the trade, then can tell us where will be another precise point of exit, so that we can maximize our profits. Am I right to say that? Okay, is that what we want? Okay, is that what we want? Okay, so yeah, so that is something that we are looking out for. Okay, this is something that we are looking out for when we are trading in forex. Okay, but just put aside profit. Okay, if we put aside profit, okay, we just focus on the precision. Okay, learn the way to get the precision. Okay, and explore the way to get the precision. Okay, and naturally you will get yourself into a state of structure. The structure will be there. Okay, so each day, you know, when I just like me, and when I start, before I start trading, I will go off of analysis in my YouTube channel. All right, so subscribers will actually get a notification, and you will see how I actually plan out my trade. Okay, first of all, filter out my trades. Okay, then after that, I will start to go into trading, live trading. All right, then I will start to okay, so see you tomorrow. I go to sleep for, oh yeah, okay, right, good night to you. All right. Okay, see you tomorrow, George. Thank you for staying up. It's tough for you in the West. Okay, so yeah, have a good night's sleep. Right, so over here, so when I started to do out my analysis, then I will start to go into my live trading like this right now in this session. Okay, so I will be focusing a lot on you know, trying to get the precision, where's the entry. Okay, so for many people, many traders out there, we are all looking out for like so-called resistance level. Okay, and along the way, as we understand, okay, the resistance level has been tested. Will it retest the resistance once again? Okay, then some like we have already entered for pound yen. Okay, so pound yen, the entry. Okay, so when we enter an entry, for example, like this, okay, right at the moment, I'm going down to 1 minute chart. Okay, so that we will start to go down and check it out, and you know, things like this. Okay, how's the movement right at the spot, right at this minute? Okay, so we will know how it moves. Are we able to continue to hold the trade? Okay, so during the trading, okay, if there's any entries like what you have learned and what you understand, and as in your structure, all right, and you are, and if it hits, and along the way, as I explain, as I'm sharing, okay, in this channel, in this session, right, so if it's just nice that it hits into your structure, that you are going to grab a 5 or 10, okay, by all means go ahead. Okay, so we will be sharing points like this. Okay, so that, oh, this is why my structure come about. Okay, this is how it's forming. Okay, so it will be, you know, it will be great for everyone out there, you know, to understand better. Okay, oh, okay, I learned let's say I learned using RSI. Okay, so how RSI comes about. Okay, when RSI is coming into what I usually do, enter for a trade. Okay, tells me what to do, overbuy or oversell, something like this. Okay, and there are things that we may have overlooked, or we didn't even take notice in our trading. So yeah, things like this comes along. So when we are all sharing the points here, the views here, okay, we will be able to know better of our personal or individuals trading pattern. Okay, and you can do it better. Okay, all right. Okay, so I hope sharing my channel in this session, such a sharing will be, I hope it's helpful to all of you out there. All right. We are not here to challenge anyone. Okay, we are here to share. This is important, right? So this is something that I wish that everyone will appreciate. Okay, so for people who are new to my channel and you are still watching here by the sideline, okay, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also to come in and share your views, so that we have more people coming along. Okay, okay, sharing. All right, but of course, right now as I can see, okay, a total of almost 800 viewers here. So of course from different platforms. Okay, so total up. So we wish that everybody will just give us give some rooms for people to voice out. Okay, all right. Yes. Yes. Okay. Like Huber said, yes, I'm trying to build a very nice trading community for everyone. Okay, to trade together. So that we won't be so lonely. Lonesome will not be our best friend in forex trading. Okay. Exactly. Okay. Right. Okay. So we'll have more. Okay, we'll have more sessions like this. Okay, I hope that are really helpful. Okay, so if you think that's really helpful to you, okay, remember to smash the like button, subscribe, and also ring up the bell. Okay, all right. So let's take a look. What do we have today? Okay, this is something here that I think we would like to take a look before we actually go offline. Okay, we go offline very soon. Okay, so Powcat. Okay, looks good. Okay, Powcat. Today we have plotted up Powcat. Am I right? Okay, so let's see. Okay. Yes. Generally. Okay. Generally, when I plot out. Okay, it will more or less it's more to it's more onto the equation of like when it hits on the resistance, okay, when it's testing on the resistance, we will have a chance. We will have a chance to grab some profits. Okay, we'll have a chance to grab some profits. Okay, so it's not generally like the whole day will be selling. Okay, when I plot out this. Okay, so I am just looking out for chance. Okay, example like Powcat, since you are here. Okay, so when I talk about this Powcat, it's okay. So probably there will be a chance for us to grab for profits for today. Okay. So yes. Okay. Yeah. Like I also pound dollar. Oh, pound dollar. Oh yeah. Congratulations, guys out there. Okay, pound dollar. You should tell us. You should tell us. Yeah, you are busy. You are busy. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So no, it's okay. It's fine. Not to worry, guys. Okay. So as I can see, okay, over here, I think people have followed me for quite a while. Okay. All right. So I think we are actually more or less we know, okay, my trading pattern. Okay. Basing on the a very simple way to trade on the fundamental of resistance and the support. Okay, and reading on the lower resistance, lower highs, and support. How are we going to go for the profits for till then? Okay, so things like this. Okay, that like this over here is very nice. Okay, very nicely done up. Okay, so the resistance has been plotted out this way, and for the last hour it's tested once and tested again, rejected, and from here the rejections. Am I right? So from there, okay, we can go in. All right, you see, right, for the last 30 minutes over here got rejected. Okay, over here, which are about there. Okay, so this one got rejected. Okay, so coming down for selling. Okay, and we are going on the M5 about this area. And can you see this candle? It got rejected. Am I right? Okay, from the resistance. Okay, from the resistance. So from here, there's no engulfing. Now this one is the engulfing, right? So if I'm going to take a trade for 5 pips, okay, for 5 pips, if it breaks the resistance above, okay, I'll be losing about 7 to 10 pips, maybe. Okay, yeah. So right, so I mean just estimated, okay. But if I'm going to grab the 5, which my support is still very far away, okay. So I guess over here is like 16. Okay, I have about 3 times of space to go. I think still good for me. I will still go for it. Okay, so pound dollar. Okay, so if it's showing another lower resistance. Okay, also rejections from my system. Okay, and the moving resistance here. Okay, I will continue to hold. I'll continue to hold the trade. Okay, continue to hold the trade. Okay, that it will actually give us a chance to reach the targeted support. Then we will exit the trade. Okay, right? Okay, I think this is kind of not difficult. Okay, it's just that we need to be in the market daily, right? As we always say, okay, the more you practice, okay, the more you will be, the more well versed you will be. Correct? Okay. So this is something that we should be more we should practice more. Okay, so congratulations for those who have actually captured your pound dollar. All right, so that's good. All right, so that's pretty good, fantastic. Okay, so yep. Okay, so once again, okay, I hope this channel really help you. So remember to subscribe to a YouTube channel. Okay, to my YouTube channel here. Okay, so that we can have more come in to share your views. All right, and also to capture the profits together. Okay, then we will go for then we will go for a great journey in the forex trading. All right, in the future together. All right, so I think it's really great. Okay, so like a pound yen. Okay, let's take a look. Since the pound yen H4 has opened. Okay, so let's come back here. Okay, so with this, take this away. Okay, so let's take a look now. We have tested the resistance, correct? H4 has been tested the resistance, right? So over here, okay, over here, right now the resistance over here has been tested. So the resistance has been tested this way. So now let's take a look at H1. Do we have a selling signal right now with a green and a red and coming down red? Yes, we have. Selling signal is here. Okay, so right now let's see M5, M5. Okay, do we have an engulfing candle like this to sell? Okay, so yes. So let's check. Is there any support area that we should be paying attention to? Okay, support area. So tentatively, by looking at this, the support, okay, will be here. Looking at this part here, okay, can you see? Okay, previous resistance will become a support. So let's see if we can achieve things like about 70, okay, a 70 pips, 70, but 70, okay, take into consideration of I always say for 25 or 25%, give a 25% buffer. 70, 20 will be 7, 14. Okay, so about 6, about let's say 50. Okay, 50 around here. Okay, so as we can see, right over here, because of this, and previous support, previous resistance tested and become a support. Okay. Yeah, so this is something that we want to pay attention to, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so right now, of course, this is the first few minutes of H4 opening. Okay, so we have to observe. Okay, we have to observe first. Okay, to check, make sure. Okay, so right now another lower resistance is created. So lower resistance created for this wave. We are actually looking out for a lower low, correct? Okay, lower low over here. So yeah, come back here again. Let's do what just now. Okay, this Forex New Way was talking about. Okay, okay, Forex New Way. Okay, So Hubert, I believe you can fully understand what Forex News is talking about. Am I right? Yes. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay. So yeah. Probably I will invite Forex New into your group there. Okay. So okay. Most welcome. All right. Okay. So over here. Okay. So this is where we are going to talk about. Okay. So if you can see, all right. So over here, we are actually looking out for things like this. Okay. So things like this is also something good here that we should be taking a look. So right now, okay, selling off because of this thing, and now we are going into from the 61, as you can see. Okay, so from here, the top here. Okay, so we are the point here is to wait for a retesting. Okay, for retesting into this level. Okay, right. Then after that, that will be another trigger in. Okay, another trigger in. So what if it started to sell down? Okay, so a lower resistance is also another signal. Okay, so we can see this is in the M5. Okay, we lower down the time frame so that you can see clearer. Okay, so we are going for 50. We are going for a 50. So 61 is at the top here. Okay, so 50, this gap here. Okay, this gap, the potential profits gap here. Okay, so in this case over here, this is something that we'll be looking out for. Okay, to break every level. There will, so that you know, you have a gauge. You have a gauge of a level. You have a guide as well that you are in which level. Okay, you are already in which level, so that your trading will have your trading will be empowered. You know, okay, will be empowered. Okay. All right. So yes. Okay. So right now H4 has already opened, so we can actually see how it moves, so that it will be so much clearer of what we are talking about 1 hour ago. All right. We are trying to get the meaning of it. All right. Okay. So I guess this is something that we are also learning over it. Okay. Okay. So yep. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Right now, okay. As we can see, guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so that we can have more sharing over here, and at the same time we can also from our sharing here, you can know where to get the profits. Okay, right. Okay, so yes, what is this? Badly EP or GJ. Okay, I think that's good. All right. Okay. Yep. Okay. And Fab also TP or GJ. Okay. Fantastic. Okay. Good. Okay, that's good. Right. And well, on this currently, by looking at this, okay, so we are entering into the next session. Okay, into the next session. So let's take a look at what we are talking about earlier on of the day. Okay, Euro CAD. Okay, Euro CAD. Okay, Euro CAD over here. So Euro CAD right now we have actually retraced upwards. Okay, so over here, and there's a selling signal. Okay, that creates a bigger space before it hits on the support. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, you see, earlier on it hits on the support and it's not breaking. It started to retrace upwards. Correct. Okay, after it retracing upwards, okay, so there's another selling signal coming in. Okay, so from here to here we have about 23 pips. So if you manage to capture this, okay, whereby this over here if we are still in this area, where we are in the support, usually it's very close, where I'm not very keen, okay, to enter for a trade. But if this has because of the pullback, okay, it increased the space, the profitable space, okay, yes, then probably you have to use another strategy, like maybe a scalping, okay, to grab some profits before it hits on the support. All right, okay. So yeah, so that's for Euro CAD, and let's go about Euro Yen. Euro Yen. Okay, same thing as we were talking about Euro Yen. We are also waiting for Euro Yen to hit on the resistance. Where is the resistance? This is the resistance level, correct? This is the resistance level. So this is the resistance level over here, okay? And from the resistance level, okay, will there be any chance of selling right now? Okay, we are talking about now, okay? So previous 4 hours we don't have, but probably the second half. Okay, now we are looking out for a selling. We are looking out for a selling signal over here. Okay, so same thing. Okay, I'm looking out to have a selling signal. Okay, like example, this has been tested, right? Okay, here, let me drag it down so they can see. Okay, from the resistance, a lower resistance created over here, this point. Okay, so probably I've plotted out this area. Okay, this area. So in this area over here, okay, we can see, right? We can see that now over the whole of this area here, we may have we may have a chance to grab some profits over, but for this case, when it start to swing down this way, such a big selling candle, usually I will not enter for a trade. Okay, I will not enter for a trade. For example, let's say if you enter here, okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. All right. But if you're waiting for the candle to close, that is right at the bottom, then I don't think I will go for a trade. Usually for this kind of situation, I will skip. Okay, I will skip. All right. So Euro Yen. Okay, so Euro Yen we have tested on, and right now, okay, we have to observe. Okay, we have to observe because of this only the first hour of the H4 opening. So will it go back and retest the resistance once again, right? Before we can actually take a real write down. Okay, then it depends on the retesting. Okay, so currently I will usually currently I won't be taking any. Okay, right at this point. Okay, probably the next hour. Okay, so yeah, so for euro dollar, okay, euro dollar over here, as we can see, it had retested the resistance over here, retested the resistance. So once it retests the resistance now, okay, it's actually giving us a signal that, okay, now it's being retested. Will there be a selling signal? No, round down. I'm waiting for this H4 candle, current H4 candle. And with the H1, a new selling cycle coming down again, all right, then I will start selling. Okay, then I will start selling. So it's also this is also something very similar over here. Okay, so like example, okay, we are going to do this. All right, so same thing, 61. Okay, so if this is how you're going to plot it out. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, so in H4, okay, so it looks almost the same. Okay, so yeah, okay, let me take this away first. Okay, so let's see. So as for euro dollar, okay, at this point, all right, euro dollar we have selling down, and trending coming soon. So I will just wait. I will just wait for it to actually form a new green and red candle to come down for a selling. Then I will start selling. All right. So that's the point. Okay, where I wanted to see the selling is there. Then I will grab it. Okay. All right. So that's for euro dollar. And pound Aussie, right? Pound Aussie. Well, pound Aussie has actually exceeded our expectation from the support here. Now it's breaking the support, correct? It's breaking the support. So this support has actually already become a resistance. So now pound Aussie, okay. So if the candle retraces upwards, okay, to retest the support as a resistance, okay, then get ready. Okay, so get ready. Right, so we have grabbed one round here. Okay, so probably another round is coming. Okay, so just be patient to take a look what's going on before we take action. Okay, all right. So of course, if it breaks above the support level, then forget about it. Okay, it breaks above the support level and retest the support level. Okay, then I think we forget about it. Okay, all right. Okay, yes, that's right. Okay, so this is something that we should be taking a close look. Huh? Okay, all right. Okay. Yes, correct. This is the English channel. Okay, this is an English channel. So yeah, if you're comfortable with English over here and you can understand me, okay, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be going live to trade together and also some point sharing together with all of you. If you have yours, you can share. All right. Yes. Aha. Okay. So, yep. English channel. Correct. Right. Chinese. 我会说一点点华语。OK， 我会说华语，不是一点点，我是会说华语，只不过我的华语表达不是很好。OK， 我的华语表达不是很好。OK， so yep. I don't really express well in my Mandarin. Okay, so probably it will take a very long time for you to understand me. Okay, yep. Okay, right. So for people who are very comfortable, okay, with English, yeah, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. Okay, so yes, let's move on again to Pound Aussie. Okay, Pound Aussie over here. Right, Pound Aussie. Like I say over here, if it's retesting, okay, then we can retesting with a selling signal. Yes, we will continue selling. Right? Yep, that's right. Okay, so again, which part? Which part do you want? Pound Aussie. Oh, okay. Right, Pound Aussie. Okay, I was saying that Pound Aussie. Okay, I am actually looking out for retesting. Okay, I'm looking out for a retesting. So this retesting, okay, I want to have a retesting so that the retesting of the previous support will become a resistance. Okay, then from there I will start selling. Okay, then from there I will start selling. Right? Okay. Yeah. So if it breaks above, then forget about it. No more. Breaks above, retest the support and form a buying signal. And no more. Okay, no more. All right. Yeah. Okay, understood. Good. Okay, so that's for Pound Aussie, right? So Pound Cat. So Pound Cat earlier on, same thing. Okay, we grab the profits here. Okay, so that's pretty good. So on the other hand, over here, this side. Okay. H1, H4. Okay, H4. So in the last hour. Last two hours, we have tested the resistance, okay, and we have coming down for a selling. So from this part, as you already can see, the selling is here, went up, correct? Okay, it tested, come down, retest the resistance, and now start to sell, right? It started to sell. So it started to sell. Can I hold for more? Yes, you can. So just look out for where is the support level from the support level, which now we are in the profitable space where it will continue to run short. Okay, it will continue to run short. So this is my targeted area. Okay, of course, this targeted area have to shift up a little bit for the 25% level. Okay, so I would say that for this area, 40. About 40. Okay, we still have about 40 pips. No, not now. Not now. Now we are only left with about. Now we are left with about 20. Okay, so yeah, we are now Pound Cat. We are still left with about 20. Okay, so yes, it may breaks the support, but just be sure, okay, that the profit is into your pocket. Okay, just be sure. Okay, so we can actually based on this, all right, this profitable space. Okay, We still have about 20. Okay, I will want to collect another 20. All right, if it really completed this box, okay, I'm going to cut my profits. Okay, I'm going to exit the trade. Okay, right. Where do I subscribe to your YouTube channel? There's a subscribe button. Okay, there's a subscribe button. Okay, yeah. Okay, so remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, on the right side, right bottom of my YouTube of your screen. Yeah, probably you, if you are on the PC, yes. If you're on the mobile, probably you have to go, have to exit the live chat, and then probably you can subscribe from there. Okay, all right. Okay, so come back here. Right now we are in a profitable space, which is good. Okay, so if you are still holding, then I think this is still good to go. Okay, all right, for Powcat. Okay, so yeah, so next to go, all right, and next to go over here. Powcat is still good now. Okay, so let's take a look at Pound Yen. Okay, so Pound Yen over here, like earlier on, we were talking about this level. So now it's coming for retesting. Okay, hits on the, sorry, not retesting. It hits on the 50 mark, and now can you see there's a rejections? So these rejections over here, and you see that it's not creating a lower, high, correct? It's not creating a lower high now. It's testing on the resistance right here. So that means the trending market has stopped. Okay, the trending has stopped. So right now, trending market has stopped. Okay, so probably we have to wait. Okay, we have to wait for a new opportunity. Okay, all right. So this is also one of a signal that for people who are still holding for your profits, I guess this is also maybe a good time for you to actually collect your profits and wait for a new, better entry. Right? Okay. Yes. Correct. Okay. All right. So right now, that's for Pound Yen. Okay. How about Pound Dollar? Pound Dollar. Let's take a look. Pound Dollar. Okay. Pound Dollar. Let's go back again. Pound Dollar. We are coming back for selling today. Okay. Pound Dollar. We are coming back for selling today. Right. So for Pound Dollar, the Pound Dollar. Dollar. Okay, so Pound Dollar over here. Okay, Pound Dollar H4 opens. Okay, now as you can see, Pound Dollar, we are very near to the support already. So right now we are about 10 pips away from the support, which is very near. Okay, so if you are Hayden, you are holding Pound Dollar. Okay, if I'm not wrong, if you are holding Pound Dollar, okay, right. I'm not sure which one you are holding. Okay. So yep, so for Pound Dollar right now, okay, we are very near to the support level as we can see over here. So right now we are about 16 pips to go. So over here, they have naturally hit up on support here. So now it's running out of selling and going for a lower high, correct? A lower high here. So looking at this as a lower high over here, okay. So what is next for lower high? A lower low, correct? A lower low. So a lower low may be created. Exactly. Okay. So when the lower low is going to create, it's going to create. Also, please make sure that you have enough space. You have enough space before it hits on the support level. Okay. So just be very patient. Okay. So tentatively, I would say that we still have some space, okay, but not much. So you can collect as much as possible and just leave as soon as possible. Making sure that the profits is into your pocket. Okay, so that's what I meant. Okay. Yep. All right. Good. Okay. Good. All right. So yes. Yep. Okay. Yes, that's today we have managed to accomplish and completed some profits here. Like earlier on Feb, Bradley, you completed your GJ and now still holding profits for your Hellcat, Aiden, and Bradley. Okay, okay. Well, that's I think that's pretty good. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay. So what's next that we are going to look out for is that the second half of the market. Okay, the second half of the market. So second half of the market, of course, reading may be a bit different. Okay, so we just have to be very careful. Okay, for what we are going to do. Okay, in the second half of the market. So over here, like I said just now earlier on, those currency pairs that I already picked up. So just pick up already. So just be sure. Okay, just be sure that you just observe. Okay, and be with the rules. Be with the rules. All right. Okay, so that you will be able to grab some profits later on. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. That's all for today. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this 2 hour session. And again, all right, people who are just coming to my YouTube channel, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be back here tomorrow for the live trading with all of you once again. Okay, so we have sharing from people, okay, from the floor, so that everyone will be able to gain some knowledge here as well as grab some profits together. All right. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy this video, remember to smash the like button for the subscriber, and for new subscriber, okay, for people who are new to my channel, click the subscribe button. All right. Okay, so I shall see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you tomorrow, and I wish you plenty of profits on the second half of the day, and also remember to come back tomorrow. Okay. All right, see you again, guys. Thank you so much. See you.